Hi everyone! So today we are going to learn from a short clip on how to buy something from a sari-sari store. If you're ready, let's get started.
String. Itong numero 1,
As you heard from the video, the boy said, "Papalita ko." Papalita ko, which means I'd like to buy, and then something that you'd like to buy. So he said there to te. Papalita ko te, which is a shortened form of ate or auntie. Because in the Philippines, we just don't say, we are not using a first name basis, especially when we are talking with our elders. So it's kind of like our own way of showing our respect.
Tagpila te. Isa te.
If you'd like to ask how much is it, you'll use the phrase tagpila. Again, the phrase or the word tagpila.
Sige te. May zero te no? May zero niya. Uno. Tama te.
And then at the end, if you'd like to ask how much is the total amount that you owe the tindero or tindera, you will say pila tanan. Again, pila tanan. How much is it in all? What is the total amount? Pila tanan. Pila tanan.
Tama te.
And of course, you're going to end the conversation by saying, Salamat! Hope you learned something new today. Hanggang sa sunod, this is Teacher Joanne. Salamat!